Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I'm helping somebody do this, and I sent him the file, and I'm really pleased that he's tackling it and trying to understand. We've drawn two lines right here to, I call them dams or whatever, just to stop the smart fill from leaking into that part. We only want to fill in this part. The only thing he's doing wrong is using the wrong fill tool. I don't really know why they call it interactive fill. So that's what he's using. One, it's really hard to find the place to put it. Then he's going up here. He sent me a video or I would have never figured out what he was talking about. So he just uses the wrong tool. You want to use the smart fill. Smart fill tool creates a new object and it goes wherever it can. We'll just make a scenario here. And smart fill is only going to fill out the parts that it can get to. It's like a liquid, and lines will stop that liquid with a dam. You could have a little bitty line. You could have two 2-point lines really close together. And the smart fill tool will not go past that line. So he's better off today because smart fill tool basically. Okay, let's go over the interactive fill tool. Why the interactive fill tool is there? I've never gone here and gone interactive fill tool and filled it in. It's set on blue. I don't ever do that. I just take the smart fill tool and fill that in with black, and then you can change the color. What the interactive fill tool does, it interacts with more than one color. I'm holding down the left mouse button, and now I can put red here and yellow here, and even green in the middle. And you can slide it around and get your green in different spots. But the smart fill tool, its main objective is to fill up. So when you do, you want to specify black, and he either me or somebody else's file. You want none when you do your outline. So when we create this, there's no outline. If we take away the fill, there's no outline. Now you can use the smart fill tool as an outline. Smart fill, specify none, no fill, but we want to specify a thick line. It just made a border. It did not fill in the inside because we told it not to. So just think about smart fill. I don't ever do that. I go specify black and specify none. And leave it set like that. You can go to tools and save as default after you get it done. But he's well on his way. I'm glad he's trying instead of just use. That's the only thing bad with the smart fill tool. If you don't click off of it, it's still active. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.